Hi everyone, I'll be reviewing the ETUDE House Peach Farm palette. So it consists of 10 colors, 7 of them are new and the other 3 has already been in other collection. So the first shade is Pine Cone, which is a matte finish, and it is just like a wooden brown color, which is perfect for as a transition color or to deepen the crease. And then second you have White Peach, which is like a frosty white shade, which is beautiful for the inner part of your eye or on top of an eyeshadow. And then you have Real Peach, which is like a neutral shimmery shade but also have like that orange undertone. And then you have Sunlight Peach, which is a nice pinky shade shimmer, but obviously it will be nicer on top of an eyeshadow, as you can see, because it is quite faded. And then you have a Matte Peach Tea, which is just an orange coral color. And then Peach Juice, which is another shimmery shade but it's more of a lighter peachy shade. And then another shimmery shade which is called Peach, which is leaning more towards the pink shade. And then you have a Sweet Peach, which is much more of a darker coral pink color, which is beautiful. And then Peach Jam, which is a golden beigey shade, which is nice. And the last one is a darker shade called Peach Tree, which is very nice to deepen up the eyes. So overall there's 3 matte and the rest are a combination of frosty and shimmer. Most of them are, I wouldn't say that pigmented, but they are pigmented enough for the eyes, but definitely would be better if you prime and then layer this on top of the primer to deepen up the color itself. So here's the look that I created. So first I used the Peach Tea as a base color to deepen up my eyelid, and then by doing that it just helps me to accentuate more of the other colors that I'll be using next. Now I'm just transitioning the crease and the color on top by using Pine Cone with a blending brush and just blending it back and forth until I'm happy with the depth of the crease that I want it to look, if that makes sense. And then what I'm using is the darker shade called Pink, and I'm just layering this on the outer part of my eye and the inner part. This is my favorite eye look to create when wanting to deepen up my eyes more, and then targeting the middle with a shimmery shade. So as you can see, I'm just focusing on the inner and outer part, making sure that I don't apply the darker eyeshadow in the middle part, because after that in the middle part I'll be adding a shimmer shade, and I really like this golden beigey shade, which is Peach Jam, and just layering it on top. As you can see, the more you layer, the more pigmented the eyeshadow will be. But with this eyeshadow you can create a variety of look. You can create a neutral look where you only apply a little bit of eyeshadow, or you can darken up the look with more eyeshadows by layering them on top. So this is the final look, and I just added a bit of shimmering on the inner part, White Peach, to finish up the look. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.